How to insert a table in Word. Have you ever needed to insert a table into an existing Word document? If you want to find out how you could do it, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, we will open the Word document that we want. I will choose this one. There is some text here. However, what if, say, we want to insert a table here? To do this, we will select the Insert section from the top menu. Here we can find various options. However, the one we need is the board. When we click on it, a window will open in which we can choose how big the table will be. In addition, we can choose to do it textually with the Insert Table option. In addition, we can import a table from Excel. There are also predefined tables here. If we choose the last option, we will already see some predefined forms such as calendars and others. For this example, we will select the number of columns and rows in the graphic display and click to insert it. And that's all. This way you can insert the table in Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.